Welcome to Creata Classes. In this lecture, we will review and compare all the 6 trigonometric graphs. We will see the various observation of these trigonometric graphs. Okay, let's begin with the lecture. Let's begin with sine graph and cos graph. If you observe closely, you will see there is a phase difference of 90 degree between sine and cos graph. In previous classes, we have also seen formula that is sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta, which shows a phase difference of 90 degree. Because of head start, it is often said that cos function leads the sine function or sine function lags the cos function. Here head start means cos start at 1 on y-axis, whereas sine start at 0 on y-axis. Okay? Both crosses each other at 45 degree and after that at interval of 180 degree. Okay, let's move to cosec and sec graph. Firstly, cosec graph. We know cosec is reciprocal of sine. In graph also you can visualize the same. Cosec graph is just reciprocal of sine graph. As sine graph is increasing, our cosec graph is decreasing. And as sine graph is decreasing, our cosec graph is increasing. Okay, sine and cosec touch each other at 90 degree. And after that at a regular interval of 180 degree at 1 and -1 on y-axis. Similar thing we observe in our sec graph. Sec, we know it is reciprocal of cos. So sec graph is also reciprocal of cos graph. As cos is increasing, sec is decreasing. And as cos is decreasing, sec is increasing. Okay, both are reciprocal to each other. Sec and cos graph touch each other at 0 degree and after that at a regular interval of 180 degree at 1 and -1 on y-axis. And similar to sine and cos graph, cosec and sec graph are also having phase difference of 90 degree. Same fundamental applies here also. Okay. Now moving to last graph, that is tan and cot graph. Let's plot both the tan and cot graph. We know cot is reciprocal of tan. Same thing is reflected here in graph also. As tan is increasing, cot is decreasing. Okay. Same fundamental of reciprocal applies here also. Both crosses each other at 45 degree and after that at interval of 90 degree. Okay. Let's see some more observation related to trigonometric graphs. For better understanding, let's take sine, cos, cosec and sec graph simultaneously. Okay, we are taking the 4 graphs. You can see a phase difference of 90 degree between sine cos and cos sec function graph. If we talk only about sine and cos graph, its range, or we can say its extent on y-axis, is from +1 to -1, means it lies between +1 and -1. Whereas cosec and sec, it is totally opposite, as they are reciprocal of sine and cos. Cosec and sec does not exist between +1 and -1. It exists between +∞ to +1 and after that between -1 to -∞. Okay. One more thing, all the values of sine and cos are defined, but cosec and sec are not defined at certain angles. Cosec is not defined at 0, 180 and 360 degree. Whereas sec is not defined at 90 and 270 degree. Okay. If we talk about range of tan and cot, they exist between +∞ to -∞. Okay. And we also know tan is not defined at 90 and 270 degree, whereas cot is not defined at 0, 180 and 360 degree. Okay. So that's it for this lecture. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Visit us at creataclasses.com. Link is given in the description. If you want video on any specific topic, please mention the topic in the comment section. We will prepare the video and we will upload the same on the YouTube. Okay? Thank you very much for being with Creata Classes. Bye for now.